Everybody, Brian back here with a look at Kaspa. We have a nice break of resistance going on down through here. You can see this trend line here is breaking right through here, getting a nice pop out of here, expecting this thing to shoot up towards 15 to high 15s. That's the first target. All right, we're going to go over some more targets here in a second, but it looks like this thing has gained this support down here. If you come out on a weekly, all right, this thing has gained, came right back into this support zone, right where you want to see it. It bounced here last time it was down here, bounced here last time it was down here. One thing, it has never fallen through this area. Okay, you have a wick down here. That's when price was just for the first time hit that 15 cents. All right, but we're going to look at some higher targets here in a second. Got some pretty exciting stuff to show you guys. Obviously, Bitcoin dominance has come up and hit that 60.4 percentile. And if you zoom in here on a monthly, you can see a red monthly candle starting. How about that? Look at this. That's what you want to see. We've talked about this for how long? That the 60.4%. Look at the weekly. Got a nice fat red weekly candle started on here. Starting to get a rejection, all right? So we're watching for it to lose this yellow support line and roll over, possibly down to 20-some%. I know as hard as that is to believe. Just wait, maybe we won't get the whole way down there. I'm expecting it to, though. An ABC that measures right out down to that average. So according to this, if this is just the beginning today of what's to come, it's going to be a lot of fun, right? I mean, look at these crypto bubbles. This is absolutely crazy. This is what it should look like during a bull run or an alt season. Okay, this is perfectly normal. You're going to have your pullback days, obviously. Things cannot go straight up. All right, but if we pull Kaspa up on here, number 29, market cap 3.05 billion. Look at that volume. Nice. 146 million. That's usually around 40-50 million, so that's about 3 times what it normally is. Last hour, we're up 1.8%. For the day, we're up 6.2, and for the week, 5.7. All right, over here on the Kaspa FYI, take a look down here. I kind of wonder about this Aquaman. Last 7 days, -1. Boy, oh boy, I don't know. Who am I to tell somebody what to do that has 1 billion to 10 billion tokens? But when you're at the bottom of a chart, why would you sell here? I mean, this is on a weekly. Each one of these represents a week. So they sold here, right down here at possibly 12 cents. Worst case scenario, 10. Some charts went down into the 9s. Okay, where we had a target for, but ended up holding up here. So they were obviously expecting price to go lower. Over here kind of baffles me. Last 7 days we've added 1 humpback. That would have been this Aquaman. The last 7 days we've added 4 whales. Last 24 hours plus 15 sharks, plus 46 dolphins, plus 104 fish, minus 28 octopus. That's 1 to 10,000 tokens. Geez, oh man, you hate to see people sell down here. I do. And of course, if they have no idea what a chart looks like, what do they know, right? Price comes down to this point. I mean, geez, especially if they bought it way up here, it's 18 cents. It's down to 12, and they're thinking, I'm dumping it now. You know what I mean? And they're just considering it to keep heading down. All right, but obviously we have grabbed support here. But other than that, pretty decent. For the last 30 days, we're down 5 sharks, down 28 octopus, everything, down 2 Aquaman. Everything else is green. All right, over on the dashboard, let's take a look at the transactions per second and blocks per second. Hope everybody's having a great day. Please hit that like and subscribe, especially if you're excited for the bull run. Or the alt season, whatever you want to call it. It is definitely coming. for sure. All right, I'd appreciate that like and subscribe definitely. And if you're interested in learning how to chart, guys, I have a level 3 membership you can get for $14.99. Get you over 10 hours of videos to teach how to start charting, and it gets you a link to our Discord to come trade with us, where we got in a Kaspa long last night and absolutely killed it. We rode this thing nicely. I'd have to get the chart to absolutely show it to you, but I believe it was this move right here that we got. It was a nice move. We have over 200 people over in Discord, so would love to have you. It's only $15. If you don't like it after a month, cancel it. If you're making money with us, and we're going to make a pile of money, especially with an alt season coming, these breakouts are going to happen like crazy, and you're not going to want to miss them. Especially, we long and short the market a lot. I like longing. It just feels better, I guess. But we're going to be making a pile of money here, guys. Don't miss out. If you don't get my videos, go get somebody's and learn what to do. Okay, please. A lot of money. This is the time you make money in crypto. All right now, when it's about ready to run. Bitcoin itself. Look at this. Unbelievable day out there. I want to get my regular chart. Is this it? Yeah, here it is. Okay, let's open this up. You can see this wedge. It is busted right out the top here. Wedge, bull flag, whatever you want to call it. This way you have a bull flag in here. You can see that. All right, you can also see the wedge. Now we have 2 target areas up here. We've talked about this for months. You guys watch the channel know this. We've talked for months and months and months about this, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Now we got 2 targets up here. 189. One is 102. 89 is the 1618 off this wave 4. That gives you 88.9. And the other target comes from the previous all-time high in 2021. Pull your Fibonacci out, and that gives you 102,000. So anywhere up in this box here. All right. How long could this take? I don't know. Who knows? It's very hard to tell. The monthly RSI is turning back up, so hopefully we get 3 or 4 months out of it would be nice. You got your weekly. Getting near the top here on the weekly RSI. Let's get this Fibonacci off here. All right. The daily. Just turning up. That looks fantastic. I'm sure your 12 and 8 and all that are getting near the top. Yeah, there you go. All right, so don't be shocked if you get possibly a little bit of a pullback here. If this was a wave 4 and a 5, which it looks like a 4 for definitely. We go from the top. You could squeeze a little bit more out of this move here, maybe up to 77.8. All right, and then probably an ABC to test the top of this former resistance as support. Now this blue line, I would expect some kind of ABC to come in here, but the markets are looking fantastic. Expecting crypto to just absolutely crush it. And then over here on the you guys know I keep up with blockchain backer, especially on X there. He mentioned that the Russell broke out. Look at that. It has broken out of this wedge. Every time crypto has went in a bull run, the Russell has had to have broken out. Right here is 2021. Right here. Back over here is 2017 and a 2018. All right, so each time that this has run, that's when the cryptos ran. 2013, Bitcoin's first bull run right through here. So that is good to see, the Russell breaking out. And the width of this wedge on this thing, it looks like it could have a possible pretty decent run in it here. All right, up to possibly there. If we put a Fibonacci on here and look for a target, probably about the same here, I would imagine. I'd be looking for a 1618, 2987, which is fantastic. That's what we needed for sure. We needed a breakout. It's through the 786 and heading towards the upside. So the Russell has broke. Bitcoin is hammering it. Let's take a look real quick at the Dow Jones real fast. Let's pull it up up here. There we go. It's up 1,500 points today. That's great. Yeah, look at this thing out on a monthly. Look at this. It's done a full 4.236 extension. Look at this, and it's still going. Unbelievable. So Dow Jones is looking good also. All the markets looked really great today. Now over on Kaspa here. All right, now this is on a 4-hour chart. If we go on a daily, you can see this break right here of resistance. Looks like we've hit a bottom here. Possible double bottom too. You got 1, 2 touches right here. Boom, boom, bounce. Looking great. Also have bullish divergence. Was it on the daily? Let's take a look here. No, I put it out in Discord here. It's on the 12-hour right here. All right, if we pull the RSI up here, okay, you see this low here, and you have a higher low on the RSI, right? Now if we pull price and we pull this up, you can see here that these, you know, without the wick, you know, this would be a down slope, or, you know, best case scenario, it would be even here, right? So you have bullish divergence down here on the 12-hour, which is good to see. The higher time frames are more stable and give off better signals than like a 15-minute bullish divergence or a 1-hour bullish divergence. Okay, so that is looking very good. The 12 hours getting near the top. The daily RSI is about 3/4 of the way up. 91 and a 60 looks great. Let's look at the 3-day and the 5-day, and then we're going to look at some price targets. The 3-day is just starting to the upside. That is beautiful. 5-day just starting to the upside. Guys, this could be a serious run here. And look at the weekly. Unbelievable. Kaspa is looking primed and ready to go, quite honestly. All right, your first target would be up here towards 15 cents. That would be with the Fibonacci right off of here. That's your 618 and 702. The next, if it breaks through that area, I'd be looking for this next right up in here. And we took a long on this over in Discord. Sign up for it, guys. Give it a shot. 15 bucks. Try it out for 1 month. All right. By the time YouTube takes their cut, the taxes and all that, it might get $7 for 10 hours of videos and a link to the Discord to come trade with us, man. There's so much money to be made when these markets run like this. If we catch this move the whole way to the top, just say 100% move, all right? On a 10x, if you put $1,000 on this, you're going to walk away with $10,000 off this one. It's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Don't take it like that, all right? The possibility is there that if you put $1,000 down on a trade here on a 10x, that you could 10x your money. All right, if you have a 20x, then you could turn $1,000 into 20 grand. That's going to happen a lot. A lot of people out there are going to do it. A lot of very, very good traders out there. We have some really good traders in our group, over 200 people. All right, now this target here, if it blows up through here, this is roughly at 16.7 to 17.6. Then we're looking for possibly 27 cents. All right, if it gets up through 18 and a half, and then 0.207, you're looking at 27 cents. Okay, now the weekly is reset. All right, say it gets through there, that would be the next target. All right, I'm not saying it's going up there. That's not what I'm saying at all. But if we get through these first three, we'll get through the first one. All right, pretty positive about that. All right, this one up here, we'll see. 27 would be great, that's for sure. And then 37 we'll think about later. But Kaspa is looking fantastic right now. You have a break of resistance. You got bullish divergence on the higher time frames. First targets we're looking for here are 15 to 15.7. All right, I'm sure this is going to work. 5 waves up. You know, you're going to get your one retest. This now as support. 3, 4, 5. We'll see how it goes. All right. Then you might get an ABC and then a next set of 5 starting. But stuff's going to move fast. It's going to start moving fast, guys. Be ready. Please hit that like and subscribe. Come over and sign up and join us over in Discord. We would love to have you. Have a great day, everybody. Thank you so much for watching my video.